Hey everybody, so today I'm just going to show you kind of what's podding up so far. We got some Pasilla Bajío chilies here, podding up over winter. It's woody all the way, all the way up. So here I got some Jimmy Nardellos podding up as well on this. They're prolific, so if you want to have a lot of peppers for frying, they're mild Jimmy Nardellos. I got some Kangstar white ties podding up as well. So it's another one. TFM Scotch Bonnet podding up here. So those pods coming. It's podding up like crazy. Baby Bird's Eye podding up as well. Scotch Brains podding up also. Bootla BBG7 Chocolate Cross podding up too, flowering like crazy. Got a Scotch Bonnet Red, just a normal Scotch Bonnet Red, podding up also. I finally figured out what this front yard pepper is. This is a Big Caramel Mama, and she is podding up. I don't think they sell these anymore from what I saw on the internet when I was looking up what this thing was yesterday. Big Caramel Mama. It's gonna have tons and tons of pods. Behind it, Fatality Gourmet Jigsaw Red. I got the chocolate variant too this season, but podding up. And it's almost 6 foot tall now. Over winter. These are all over winters. CGN 21500. I've got something to hold the branch up because it's just too heavy with peppers. It's just heavy. Look with my, I can feel how heavy it. Oh, lost one. Podding up. I don't think this one is podding up. It's my bonsai. But Sugar Rush Peach over winter. Podding up as well. It's just going freaking unbelievably crazy. I just hit it up with Bone Mill this season for the overwinter in mid-Feb, and they all looked like crap back then, but these are just podding up unbelievably. They don't even hold themselves up anymore. Like, they can't. I don't know if you can see all the... It's ridiculous. So, here's some borage here. These are kind of duplicates of what I already showed. I believe this is also a Jimmy Nardello. It's just my best one podding up. So there's pods, big fat pods on it. And then my best Pasilla Bajío of all. Look at this thing, it's ridiculous. These are the most delicious chilies to eat and fresh out of the garden. Like candy when they turn like black almost. They're really, really good. So those are also podding up. If you wanted to see how I started these, look at my 2018 season and 2017 season. And also I'm going to give a shout out to the pepper lovers community on MeWe, Facebook, and Reddit. So check those out if you want to get with the group that grows peppers. But there's a few other topics as well. So there's an occasional post of a flower or something. But for the most part, it's peppers only. You can buy peppers from the community, powder, sauces, jerky, candy with pepper in it. Like anything pepper related is going to be on those channels. So definitely check those out. Kangstar started them all. And I link them every once in a while on my videos, but there seems to be a need to do it a little bit more these days. So I'm doing that now for you, Kang, because I started watching your videos. I think it was like a 2015 season. So thanks a lot for putting those out. So if you guys wanted to see kind of how these all started, watch my 2018 pepper season and 2017 pepper season for some of the overwinters. All right? Thanks a lot for watching.